Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning the short summary of the poem Grandma Climbs a Tree. This is a poem written by Ruskin. The Indian Council has recognized him as the pioneer of the growth of children's literature in India. This is the poem, as the title suggests, how an old woman keeps the childish habits and desires in her old age. The speaker here explains his grandma's habit. He called her genius because she could climb a tree even at the age of 62. The tree may be high or spreading, she would have to climb. Even at the age of 62, she climbed a tree. She had the capacity of climbing the tree very quickly. She has this skill. She is fond of climbing a tree since her childhood. She had this gift and enjoying a lot. She feels happy to climb a tree. She had more pleasure in a tree than in a lift. As years went on and grandma became old and her well-wisher suggests that she must stop climbing the trees. Whenever the people grow old, they can give up children's deeds and lead graceful life. Grandma laughed and said that she will grow disgracefully. What isn't that? But she can assure that she can do it better. Others would agree to her. What can she do in a better way? Luckily, there was no tree in their garden. Grandma learned to climb a tree from her loving brother when she was 6 years old. All old people feared that if she tree one day or the other, some danger would happen to her. This is the fear of her beloveds. Once the family members were out of the town, Grandma had a terrible fall. How did it happen? Don't know, but the result was completely different. Instead of a threat, she climbed a tree and could not come down. After the rescue, the doctor suggested that she had to take complete bed rest for 1 week. There was no major harm to her. Family members sighed with relief. When grandma was on the bed, it was like a little hell. Her bedroom is like a prison, and she felt that she is imprisoned in her room. During her rest period, she was in her room. She can feel the breeze and whisper of dancing leaves in the summer. Grandma peacefully waited till she became stronger. Afterwards, she said to her son that she could not lie on the bed any longer, and without hesitating, she ordered that she wanted a house on the tree top. Her son was obedient to his mother and obeyed her order. Immediately, he started the work with the help of his son, who was an expert. They finished their work and made her a little beautiful house on the tree top. The house had windows and a door. After that, grandma lived in that house, and her grandson would climb the tree every day to give glasses and tray. The grandson supplied food and wine to her. She sits there and eats and drinks with her grandson. Like this, she can claim her right to live on a tree.